Do you want to satisfy your cravings for xiaolongbao? Well, you don't need to travel all the way to China just to taste these delicious dumplings.
Wow!
Because our team is here to satisfy your cravings with affordable prices and amazing flavors. Juicy, flavorful, and freshly made, every bite of our xiaolongbao is packed with delicious soup and our tender filling.
Perfect for food lovers, dumpling fans, or anyone who just wants to try something new. So what are you waiting for? Come and try our xiaolongbao today!
Delicious, satisfying, and budget-friendly.
Here we have, guys, our ingredients. In our xiaolongbao recipe, we will need these following ingredients. So first and foremost, we need to wash our hands for clean and proper sanitary. And especially, we need to wear our gloves. At this juncture, guys, we are doing our dough recipe. We need 280 grams of all-purpose flour and 135 ml of water. We just need to mix until we end up with this kind of texture. And now, let's massage our dough. After that, we will need to rest our dough for 35 to 40 minutes. Now it's time to make our chocolate ganache. In making our chocolate ganache, we will just melt the ingredients and mix until we finally get the desired texture of our chocolate ganache. After that, we will need to freeze it for about 30 to 40 minutes.
After we wash our hands,
So guys, in that juncture, we already washed our hands and cut the dough into 2 to 3 inches to make our dumpling wrappers. Now we are placing the chocolate ganache on the center of the dumpling wrapper. Superman!
Precisa brincar, se organizar, todo mundo trepa. Calma, não precisa brincar, vai se organizar, todo mundo trepa, 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 trepa. Se organizar, todo mundo trepa, 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 trepa. Se organizar, todo mundo trepa.
Oi pra novinha safadinha que só pensa em transar. Pra novinha safadinha que só pensa em transar. Vou socando com força na tcheca, já tô ficando com falta de ar. Vou socando com força na tcheca, já tô ficando com falta de ar.
Enjoy and taste this delicious xiaolongbao.
Dito na.
Superman!
Calma, não precisa brincar.